Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler trampoline is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents who are looking for a safe and fun way to keep their little ones active indoors. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming, but don't worry. In this video, we'll review some of the top-rated toddler trampolines on the market, comparing their safety features, durability, and overall fun factor to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect bouncy haven for your child. Number 5. Kids Trampoline with Safety Net. It features a seamless design between the enclosure net and the jumping mat, preventing your child from getting stuck. The 360-degree net and protective foam padding keep them safe while they play. It boasts rust-resistant springs for long-lasting use and a high-quality jumping mat for an amazing bounce. Your children will jump higher and have more fun. The galvanized steel frame with 6 contact points provides stability and prevents slipping. It can hold up to 220 pounds, allowing multiple children to play together. Unlike larger trampolines, it's perfect for indoor use. Let your kids enjoy active play even on rainy days. With our detailed instructions, assembling this trampoline is quick and easy. You can have it set up in under 35 minutes. What we like? This trampoline has a seamless design, preventing kids from getting stuck. It also boasts premium elasticity for higher jumps. If you're looking for a safe and easy-to-assemble option that provides excellent bounce, this is the one for you. What people say? Easy to set up. My husband and I had a blast bonding with setup. My 2-year-old loves it. It's very sturdy. It doesn't wobble. I like the zipper opening. Update: we've had this for several months now and my toddler uses it multiple times every day. 2 toddlers or young kiddos can jump together easily. I'm surprisingly impressed with how it's holding up and how much use we're getting out of it. Adding a 4th star since my previous review. Number 4. BCAN 36-foot Mini Folding Trampoline. It's the perfect way to keep your little ones active and entertained. With its compact size, it's ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Safety is our top priority. The innovative mat design eliminates gaps, preventing little feet from getting caught and ensuring a safe bouncing experience. It features a padded handlebar, non-slip feet, and extra strong springs for a worry-free bounce. Your child will love the secure and stable feel. These springs have been rigorously tested to withstand countless bounces, providing reliable support and a fun, safe experience for your toddler. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary tools, and we provide clear instructions and a helpful video to guide you through the process. Encourage active play and help your child develop coordination, muscle control, and bone density. It's a fun way to promote healthy development. We're here to help. Our quick response time and US-based parts warehouses ensure a smooth and efficient after-sales service experience. What we like? It features an ingeniously integrated pad and mat, eliminating gaps and minimizing fall risks. The foam handlebar and non-slip features further enhance safety. If safety is your top priority and you want a simple setup, this trampoline is perfect for you. What people say? It's really sturdy, and I put it together pretty quick. The instructions were easy to follow. Putting this thing together was a breeze. No crazy instructions or leftover screws, just a few clicks and pops and it was ready to jump on. Everything about the trampoline seems well made and durable, hoping it will last for a good while. It'll be great exercise during this cold winter. Number 3. Kids Indoor Trampoline. It features upgraded suction cups and U-shaped legs for superior stability and noise reduction. The 6 contact points create a steady base for safe jumping. The waterproof mat is easy to clean, while the heavy-duty steel frame ensures it's built to last, both indoors and outdoors. The trampoline has a strong, flexible safety net, non-slip mat, and thickened anti-collision foam for ultimate protection. The springs are fully covered for added safety. The enclosed net keeps children secure while they bounce. The double zippers make it easy for them to get on and off. With 36 high-quality springs, it offers a fantastic bounce. It's sturdy enough to support up to 220 pounds. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and requires no extra tools. Setup is quick and simple, and there's even a helpful video. What we like. This trampoline features a strong, flexible safety net and a non-slip, easy-to-clean jumping mat. The heavy-duty frame ensures long-lasting use. If you need a durable and safe trampoline that's quick to set up, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very durable. It's very sturdy and stable. Easy to assemble, super fun. Number 2. Happin 55 Toddler Trampoline. It has uniquely curved poles creating a safety gap between the net and poles, reducing collision risks. The thick foam padding ensures kids can jump and play safely. This indoor trampoline provides hours of fun and imaginative play. It's designed to be quiet, perfect for indoor use. It's great for all weather. This small trampoline will keep your little ones entertained whether it's sunny or chilly. It makes an excellent gift for preschoolers and toddlers. Kids love defying gravity, and parents appreciate how quiet it is. Assembly is quick and easy. Its compact design makes storage simple, allowing for spontaneous playtime. As a US-based company, we are committed to safety and quality. We stand behind our product and will make things right if there are any issues. Order now. What we like. It has uniquely curved poles to reduce collision risks and thick foam padding for extra protection. It's also designed to be quiet, ideal for indoor use. If you prioritize safety in a peaceful playtime experience, this is the trampoline for you. What people say. The mesh enclosure on this Happin, attached on the bottom to just the jumping surface and held away from the poles, springs, and base, was a necessary choice for me, based on how I saw her fall in her mesh-sided playpen. It is very sturdy and I found it very easy to build. You have to put your back into the springs. It's so quiet you can hardly hear it. The suction cups on the bottom also help for stability and noise reduction. The directions were easy to follow. I love the size. Great value. Number 1. Outsunny Kids Trampoline. It's a fun and safe way for your children to enjoy active play. This springless trampoline provides a smooth, controlled bounce, perfect for little ones. It uses durable bungee cords instead of traditional springs for a softer, safer bounce. The thick padded edge adds an extra layer of protection. Give your child the gift of healthy fun. It helps them build strength, improve coordination, and burn energy. Its round design provides ample bouncing space. It's compact enough to fit in most rooms, making it ideal for indoor or outdoor use. It comes with a safety enclosure net, padded safety poles, and a convenient zippered door. Adult supervision is always recommended. It's made with high-quality materials and has a weight capacity of 99 pounds. It's designed to withstand hours of fun. It's easy to assemble and store away when not in use. It's a great addition to any home or play area. What we like. This trampoline uses a springless design with bungee support for a safe bounce. The thick outer edge covers the bungee for extra security. If you want a safe, compact trampoline with a unique design, this is a great option. What people say. It is perfect. I got it as a birthday gift for our 3-year-old. He loves it and bounces hard, and the trampoline is very sturdy and secure. It is also easy to assemble. My son got this for Christmas last year and he has used it almost daily in his playroom. Great quality and holds up well even with daily use. My grandsons love this. It's bigger and sturdier than I expected. I can jump with both of them with no problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.